My favorite recipes are the ones that look and taste like I worked way harder than I did, and this air fryer chicken parmesan recipe is at the top of that list. And I've got a little hack that makes the breading part completely foolproof. It's Mayo. No egg wash, no mess, just crispy juicy chicken every time. Let's get started. First, we're going to carefully cut a chicken breast in half to make 2 thinner pieces. Now give the thicker parts a few quick pounds so everything's about the same thickness. Next, dry the chicken really well on both sides. Moisture is the enemy of crispy. Now for our breading hack. Instead of an egg bath, we're using mayonnaise. Spread a thin layer on both sides of the chicken. Also give it a good hit of salt and pepper. Now let's get our breading ready. We're using panko breadcrumbs. If yours are already seasoned, just add some Parmesan cheese. If they're plain like mine, add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and Parmesan cheese. Now give that a quick stir. Take that chicken and press it into the breadcrumbs. Flip it over and do the same thing. Then I like to do it one more time just to make sure those breadcrumbs are everywhere. While you're doing this, set your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius to preheat. Now give your breaded chicken a good spray of oil on both sides. You don't want it soaked, just enough for those breadcrumbs to get golden brown and crispy. Now, into the air fryer. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping after 7 minutes. After about 5 more minutes, check that internal temp. Once the chicken reaches 165 Fahrenheit, 74 Celsius, we're good to go. Add some mozzarella cheese right on top. And don't come for me in the comments. We're putting the sauce under the chicken when we plate, not on top. That way the crust stays super crispy. Now if you're serving this with pasta like I am, I've got another little hack. Saw this on TV and honestly I love it. Put your spaghetti in, cover it with water, into the microwave for about 13 minutes. Your pasta comes out perfect every time and it's done in about the same time as the chicken. Alright, now once that cheese is melted, pull out the chicken, put some sauce under your plate, place that chicken right on top and add your spaghetti. Look at that. Crispy chicken, melty cheese, pasta on the side, a full chicken Parmesan dinner in about 20 minutes. Recipes like this are my favorite. Easy and almost no work, and it's amazingly delicious. And if you thought that was good, check out my video for my 1 basket Mediterranean chicken. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.